The real difference between Christmas and Thanksgiving for families. Christmas and Thanksgiving are two of the most cherished holidays for families, but they differ in their purpose, traditions, and emotional essence. 1. Purpose. Thanksgiving is a secular holiday focused on gratitude and togetherness. It commemorates the harvest season and is a time for families to reflect on life's blessings. Christmas, however, is a religious and cultural holiday celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. It emphasizes love, hope, and giving, often intertwined with spiritual significance. 2. Traditions. Thanksgiving centers around a grand meal, typically featuring turkey, stuffing, and pies. Activities like sharing what you're thankful for, watching football, or enjoying parades are common. Christmas involves a wide array of traditions, including decorating trees, exchanging gifts, singing carols, and storytelling. Its festive nature often spans weeks, creating a more elaborate celebration. 3. Emotional tone. Thanksgiving brings a relaxed, reflective atmosphere, highlighting gratitude for the present. Christmas is more festive and magical, focusing on generosity, joy, and the anticipation of the season. Both holidays celebrate togetherness, but differ in how they inspire families to connect, making each unique and meaningful.